Hi, I'm Tim Hawes from the locals at Ray White Kingsland, and I'm very proud to present to you 11 Harmel Road, Glendene. This home really encapsulates family, with 4 double bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, large living and dining areas, all on a 650 square metre site. There is enough room for everyone. All the bedrooms have inbuilt storage, and the master has an ensuite for some relief from the kids. As a bonus, there is a separate study or second living and a large sunroom that has many uses. The recently renovated kitchen leads to a spacious deck and rear garden which capture all the westerly sun. You even have views of the Sky Tower and Rangitoto. Located on a quiet street away from the main road, the area has a real family feel. Make sure you come along and check it out for yourself. I'm looking forward to seeing you here on the weekend at the open homes.